Just me and my thoughts. I'm taking my steps. I'm a simple girl, living my own way. No heat of the summer, just dreams every day. I lift up the youth, show them the light. In a world full of noise, I'll shine. Oh so bright, oh so bright.
Home Business Revolution. 10 ideas to ignite your passion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know the vibes. Today we're diving into something special. 10 incredible business ideas you can launch right from your living room, your kitchen table, wherever your hustle lives. We're talking about ditching the 9-to-5 grind, being your own boss, and building something you're truly passionate about. Let's get after it. Social media maverick. Become the voice of brands. Imagine being the go-to person for all things social media, the one who shapes the online presence of businesses. First up, we're talking social media. It's not just about posting pretty pictures. It's about strategy, engagement, and analytics. Look, every single brand, every business, big or small, they all want a piece of that online action. They crave visibility and interaction. They need someone to manage their accounts, create killer content, and really engage with their audience. This is where you come in. That someone could be you. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your work drive engagement and growth. You live and breathe social media. You understand the algorithms. You know how to create thumb-stopping content. Don't underestimate yourself. Your skills are valuable. This is a real business. People are making serious money, and you can too. The potential is limitless. Start local. Hit up businesses in your area. Show them what you can do. Offer them a taste of your expertise. Build that portfolio. Build that confidence, and watch your business explode. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the opportunity and become the voice of brands. Event Maestro crafting unforgettable experiences. All right. Are you someone who thrives on organization, loves bringing people together, and has a knack for creating memorable experiences? Then event planning might be your calling. And the best part? You can crush it from anywhere. Virtual events are booming, webinars, online conferences. The possibilities are endless. But hey, if in-person is more your style, weddings, corporate events, even that epic block party you've always dreamed of throwing, you can do it all. Tap into your network, build relationships with vendors, and deliver unforgettable experiences. This is about passion, creativity, and turning those visions into reality. Virtual Visionary, the ultimate business sidekick. Listen up. Entrepreneurs are busy people. They're juggling a million things at once. They need someone reliable, organized, and efficient to take those tasks off their plate. That's where you come in, the virtual assistant. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling customer inquiries and booking travel, you're the backbone of their operation. And the best part? You can do it all remotely. This is perfect if you're a master multitasker, love staying organized, and thrive in a fast-paced environment. Find your niche, whether it's social media management, bookkeeping, or customer service, and become the go-to VA in your field. Chapter 4. Wordsmith Warrior, Crafting Compelling Content. If you've got a way with words, if you can weave stories that captivate and engage, then freelance writing might be your ticket to freedom. Businesses are starving for high-quality content, whether it's blog posts, website copy, or even social media captions. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Travel, food, technology, whatever it is, become an expert in that field and watch the clients roll in. Build your portfolio, pitch yourself relentlessly, and deliver exceptional work. The beauty of freelance writing is the flexibility. You set your own hours, you choose your clients, and you build a business around your passion. Chapter 5. Knowledge is power. Become an online tutor. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? Maybe you can explain the complexities of the English language like no other. Whatever your area of expertise, there are students out there who need your help, and they're willing to pay for it. Online tutoring is exploding. It's convenient, it's affordable, and it offers incredible flexibility. Platforms like Zoom have made it easier than ever to connect with students from all over the world. Invest in a good microphone, create a professional online presence, and market your services. Share your knowledge, empower others, and build a business that makes a real difference. Chapter 6. E-commerce empire, from passion project to profit. In this chapter, we will explore the journey of transforming your passion into a profitable online business. All right, let's talk about turning your passion into profit. It all starts with a great idea, something you are truly passionate about. E-commerce is booming, and there's never been a better time to launch your own online store. The digital marketplace is vast and full of opportunities. Whether you're creating handmade jewelry, designing unique t-shirts, or curating vintage finds, the possibilities are endless. Your creativity is your greatest asset. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up shop and start selling. Find your niche, source high-quality products, and don't be afraid to experiment. Build a brand that resonates with your target audience. Take stunning photos, write compelling product descriptions, and create a cohesive brand identity. Master the art of social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. This is about building a community, connecting with people who share your interests and values. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and build relationships. Share your passion with the world. Use social media to showcase your products, tell your story, and create a loyal following. Turn your creativity into a thriving business. With dedication, hard work, and a bit of marketing savvy, you can transform your passion project into a profitable e-commerce empire. Chapter 7. Design guru shaping brand identities. In the digital age, first impressions are everything. Businesses need a strong visual identity to stand out from the crowd, and that's where you come in, the graphic designer. From logos and branding guidelines to marketing materials and social media graphics, you're the visual storyteller, the one who brings their brand to life. Master design software like Adobe Creative Suite. Build a portfolio that showcases your skills and network with potential clients. This is about creativity, attention to detail, and a passion for transforming ideas into stunning visuals. Chapter 8. Fitness Fanatic. Inspiring healthier lifestyles. Are you passionate about fitness? Do you love helping others achieve their health and wellness goals? Then, becoming an online fitness coach might be your calling. With the rise of virtual workouts and personalized training plans, you can reach clients all over the world, right from your own home. Create workout videos, offer nutritional guidance, and build a supportive online community. Use social media to showcase your expertise, share client success stories, and build your brand. This is about making a real impact on people's lives, empowering them to become healthier, happier versions of themselves. Chapter 9. SEO Strategist Conquering the Search Rankings. Listen, every business wants to be found online, right? They want to rank high on Google, drive traffic to their website, and generate leads. That's where you come in, the SEO consultant. You're the one who understands the complexities of search engine optimization, from keyword research and content optimization to link building and technical SEO. Help businesses improve their online visibility, drive organic traffic, and achieve their marketing goals. This is a high-demand field with huge earning potential, and the best part is, you can do it all remotely. Chapter 10. Podcast Powerhouse. Amplifying voices, sharing stories. Podcasting is exploding, and everyone from entrepreneurs to experts are launching their own shows. But here's the thing. Creating a successful podcast takes time, effort, and a whole lot of technical know-how. That's where you come in, the podcast producer. You're the one who takes their vision from concept to reality, handling everything from recording and editing to sound design and distribution. Help them find their voice, share their stories, and build a loyal audience. Outro. Your home business journey starts now. There you have it. 10 incredible business ideas you can start right from your home. Each of these ideas has the potential to grow into a successful venture, providing you with the flexibility and freedom to work on your own terms. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are limitless. With the right mindset and determination, you can turn any idea into a thriving business. The key is to stay focused and keep pushing forward, even when challenges arise. The key is to find something you're passionate about, something that lights you up inside, and go all in. Passion is what will drive you to overcome obstacles and keep you motivated during tough times. It's what will make your business truly unique and successful. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, to adapt. The business world is constantly evolving, and staying flexible will help you stay ahead of the curve. Embrace new technologies, seek out new knowledge, and always be willing to pivot when necessary. The world is changing. The way we work is changing, and there's never been a better time to be an entrepreneur. With the rise of remote work and digital tools, starting a business from home has never been more accessible. Take advantage of these opportunities and carve out your own path. So what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Believe in yourself and your vision, and take that first step towards building the business of your dreams. Get out there, hustle hard, and build the business of your dreams. Success won't come overnight, but with persistence and hard work, you'll get there. Celebrate your small wins along the way and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring content. We're here to support you on your entrepreneurial journey with tips, advice, and motivation. See you in the next video. Keep dreaming big and working hard. Your home business journey starts now.
Show them